it's Neil and welcome to my kitchen. And for some reason, I don't know why, but I got two different sets of pill boxes and now I have so many freaking pill boxes. There's more than I have enough to do with. If you're a friend of mine and want one, just let me know and I will probably give you one. But, okay, so this is the Mia Colia. It's the Mia Colia brand ones. So it came with three, and I took one out already, and that's what I'm using. I don't even remember what color it was. Well, being colorblind, I really wouldn't know in the first place. Even what color. I wouldn't know what color it was before either. What color is this? Green, maybe? Okay, and so this is the, whatever, Mia Cola brand. And I'm gonna put a link to these in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. And then this is the non-branded version of the same thing. So this one here is non-branded, so we're gonna compare them. And it came with, this one only came with two. Don't ask me why I bought so many. But, okay, so that's that. And so they all come with stickers. These stickers, whatever it was. These stickers are just plain, and these ones have a little line around them. If you care for the ones with the line around them, get whatever this brand is. I'll put a link to those too, and the other one's here. And here's the Mia Colia version here. It looks like these, I'm just gonna compare them both. We're gonna put them next to each other to see what they look like different. So if we look at them from the outside, man, they look so similar. I don't even know. To me, the color is the same, but who knows? But it's even got all the same speckles and everything. And what's good about the Mia Colia one, I guess, is that it's got the name on the top, so you know which is the top and the bottom. But I don't even think it matters once you open it. Yeah, man, they look almost exactly the same inside. I can't really tell the difference, can you? I don't know. But it looks like it's got 8 different places for stuff. So if I open this up, that'll fit all my pills in there for the day. So if I could label them and go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday or something, or I could just do 6 days. Usually I don't go away for more than like 3 or 4 days, so I could have 4 days worth of that and then put my Advil and maybe Pepsid or something like that in there if I need it. I don't know, I don't take a whole lot of medicine, so I don't know. But it's nice to be able to take it in this instead of taking all the bottles separately because this is way smaller. So that's kind of why I got it, just so I could take it easier. I am going away for a month soon, but this will not work. I would have to take all of these and that would just be weird. So I have a different method that I had to come up with those. But looking at this, it seems pretty cool. It's got this rubber gasket on here, which is cool and seals up nice. And this one too. So, I mean, I like it. So I'm gonna say thumbs up. They're all the same to me. I'll put links to both of them on there. I mean, I think they're both must be made from the same place. Probably the same place in China, and that whoever the Mia Cola is bought them and rebranded them. I think it was like 3 from the Mia Cola brand for the same price as 2 from the other brand, so I'd say get the Mia Cola ones. I don't know. But who knows what the price is. Every day it seems like they're different. I keep getting notifications saying the price changed in my cart from these things. But whatever, I got them, and I'll put a link to them in the description. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you need some place to put your pills for a vacation or something, this is perfect. And if you're a friend of mine and want one of these, I have, I don't know, 4 extras currently. Thanks for watching. Bye.